Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Amanda. My ID number A121232204. I'm from group 9. So, I will explain about evidence for praise structure. So, the first is about the movement test. This test checks whether a group of words can be moved together to another position in the sentence without making it ungrammatical. If the group of words can shift as one intake unit, it is a constituent. Common forms of this test include topicalization, moving a phrase to the front of the sentence, and clipping using and it is that structure. For example, the first example, the teacher put the book on the table, and the movement topicalization. On the table, the teacher put the book. On the table can move. It is constituent. And the second example, she read the mystery novel last night. And the movement clipping, it was the mystery novel that she read last night. The mystery novel can move. It is constituent. And the third example, John gave the flower to Mary. And the movement to Mary, John gave the flower. To Mary can move. It is constituent. And the second is about the sentence fragment test. This test checks whether a group of words can stand alone as a short answer to a question. If the group of words can serve as a grammatical and meaningful complete answer, it is a constituent. For example, the question, what did the boy eat? And the answer, the big red apple, can stand alone as an answer. This is constituent. And the second example, the question, where did they go? And the answer, to the beach. It is constituent. And the third example, the question, who broke the window? And the answer, the little boy next door. It is constituent.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nazwa Anissa and my study number is A12123 and 233 and I'm from group 9 2. The next material will be continued by me and then the material is about coordination test. The definition is if two groups of words of the same type can be joined by and or but, then they are constituent. Okay, the first example is John bought a book and a magazine. That is a noun phrase like a book and a magazine. Second example is she sings and dances. That is VP or verb phrase, sing and dance. Third example is they played in the park and at the school. That is professional praise or PP at school and in the park. The next material is proform test. The definition is a proform is a word or expression that replace a constituent. I make with NP or noun phrase is the original is the smart students won the competition. And then the proform is he won the competition. Next is I make with VP or for praise. The original is Lisa cleaned the room. And then the proform is Lisa did so. Okay, next is AP or adjective phrase. The coffee is very hot. And then the proform is the tea is so too. The next material is about omissibility test. The definition is if a group of words can be omitted, and the sentence is still grammatical, that group is usually an optional constituent. The first example I make with prepositional phrase from place. The first is the children played in the park. The pronoun is the children played there. The second example is she studied at the library, and then the pronoun is she studied there. Third example is we had lunch near the beach, and then pronoun we had lunch there. Next is prepositional place, make a time. First example is they arrived in the morning, and then the pronoun is they arrived then. The second example is I finished my homework before dinner, and then the pronoun is I finished my homework then. The last example is she exercised every afternoon, and then the pronoun is she exercised then. Okay, I think that's all for my presentation about admissibility test, perform test, and then coordination test. And thank you for watching our video, and see you on the next time.